Aloha and mahalo for booking your Pali Coast adventure with Captain Andes. We're excited to have you on board and your adventure starts soon. We'd like to take this moment to share with you what to expect.
Check-in begins at 7:30 a.m. here in our Port Allen office. Here's your boarding pass.
It's winter in Hawaii and conditions change minute by minute. Your captain will be up early studying conditions and gathering first-hand reports from fellow mariners.
Occasionally the wind and sea is a little bit too much for an enjoyable trip along the Pali. If that's the case on the day of your adventure, we'll be heading for calmer waters.
The destination of your tour will be decided at 6:30 in the morning. We'll let you know at check-in where we decide to go. We have numerous destinations filled with great snorkeling, stunning scenery, and active wildlife. If we change our destination due to weather, you have the option if you'd like to join us or not. We hope to see you on board and have a great day. Aloha.
In the mornings, we begin walking down to the boats at 7:30. We wouldn't want anyone to miss out, so please don't be late.
It's always barefoot sailing when you come to Hawaii, so we ask that you please remove your shoes and we will keep them safely stored for the duration of your trip.
Be sure to wear a swimsuit, bring a towel, cover up, and sunscreen. If you've ever experienced motion sickness in the past, it's a good idea to take preventative medication.
Hey guys, Jackie here, your water safety guide. Snorkeling is always weather permitting based on both the water clarity and the surface conditions. Snorkeling may be and is statistically the most dangerous activity you may do on vacation and may not be for everybody.
Mahalo for your attention. We hope to see you soon, and aloha!